here with Half Dozen Customs. Little unboxing video for you today. Just be a short video, couple minutes. Nothing too long, nothing super exciting. But we picked up, I got this as a gift. It's called the Hatch Jammer. We will put a link down below for this. You can get this on Amazon. They're fairly cheap. They're give or take 20 bucks or so. Like I said, the link will be down below. And what this is it's basically a pole that is extendable. It's not super big, but it's extendable. Got a couple things here to lock you down in place. This one is to be able to hook onto the latch of the trunk jam, and then this end would actually latch into your latch itself. This top part goes around the hook, this part goes into the latch, and it holds your trunk open for you, so when you're working on a trunk lid, you can, work on it without having to worry about bumping into the bumper or the quarter panels or anything like that. So very useful tool. I will use this around here. I've always wanted one for the trunk. I do have one that I've had this for years. This is the same, basically the same design, same setup. This one adjusts here for you to latch onto the striker, and then this side goes into the latch, and this is adjustable. There's a nut here to spin it and tighten it into the latch. And this one is for doors. This one's off of the Mako truck. I don't know if it's something that they still carry. Like I said, I've had this for a long time, but this one is for doors, and I have been wanting one for the trunk lid, and that's for the trunk. So now I have doors and I have trunk. So one more to collect, and that is the sliding pole for the hood. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Link down below for the Hatch Jammer. See you guys in the next one. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. I'm out.
Oh.